What's going on YouTube? It's Sean here, and today I'm back to give you guys another early review. So in today's video, I'll be talking about the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the gold toe colorway. First off, I just want to give a huge thank you over to the crew at the Closet Inc. If you guys haven't heard of the Closet Inc. before, they're a sneaker boutique located out of southwestern Ontario here in Canada. So these are set to drop this Saturday in Canada and in Europe, and then they're slated for a wider release in the US later on February 16th. The retail price on these will be $160 US or $215 here in Canada. The official colorway for this shoe is black, metallic gold, and white. So if you guys think this shoe looks familiar, you probably saw its cousin, which was the ComplexCon exclusive Top 3 release. So this version is going to be nowhere near as limited as the ComplexCon version, but they are very similar to one another. So as you can see, this entire shoe is done in this very shiny patent leather. Starting off with the toe box, you can see that this is done in this metallic gold leather with these perforations found throughout that's standard on your Air Jordan 1s. Wrapping around the toe box and up along where the eyelets are, this is done in black. As we take a look at the side of the shoe, you can see right away that on the lateral side, this color blocking is very different than the color blocking done on the medial side. So on the lateral side, this mid panel is done in white, and this is accented with a black Nike swoosh. And then when you flip it over to the other side, this is done in black patent leather with a gold swoosh. Wrapping around the back end of the shoe, this is done in this metallic gold patent leather, and then on the lateral side near the ankle area, we have this Air Jordan Wings logo debossed in black. The tongue on these shoes is done in black nylon, and then overlaid on top we have the laces, which are a flat style lace done in black. These also come with 2 extra pairs of laces, so one in gold and one in white. As we take a look at the very top of the tongue, here we have this Nike Air branding done on this metallic gold tag with black lettering. The inner liner of the shoe is done in black, and then the insoles on these shoes, they are removable and they're done in white with this Nike Air branding on the heel stamped in this gold color. As with most Air Jordan 1s, these sit atop this full-length foam midsole that's done in white, and encapsulated underneath the heel we have an air bubble. Finally, as we flip the shoe over to the bottom, here we have your classic Air Jordan 1 outsole done completely in black rubber with this Nike branding found at the very center. In terms of sizing, so these fit pretty much like all my other Air Jordan 1s, which I do go true to size in, so these ones I got in a 10.5. Just to give you guys a point of comparison to the normal leather Air Jordan 1s like the Breads and the Royals, I found that the patent leather used on these shoes felt a little bit stiff and quite thick. So despite going with a 10.5 in both models, I felt that the Breads and the Royals felt a little bit more roomy than these, but the difference wasn't big enough that I would have had to go up a half size bigger. In all likelihood though, this patent leather probably just needs to be broken in a little bit. Comfort wise, so the insoles that are provided are pretty thick and pretty comfortable. Overall though, they pretty much feel like any other Air Jordan 1, except for the fact that I mentioned earlier, this patent leather needs to be broken in and it is quite stiff out of the blocks. So now let me lace up these gold toes and show you guys how these look on feet. Overall, I'm a huge fan of this shoe. I really love the color blocking, how on the lateral side it's one way and then on the medial side it's another, and having this different color blocking on either side gave me just enough of that flavor of the top 3 ComplexCons without having both shoes being mismatched and completely different. Understandably though, some people might not like this patent leather all over the shoe. For me, I think that the patent leather really helps the shoe stand out, and having this patent leather all over is a nice break and a nice change from the traditional full grain leather that's found on Jordan 1s. So let me know in the comments down below what you guys think of these top 3 Air Jordan 1s. If you guys are planning to cop them this Saturday or on the 16th, best of luck to you. Hopefully you guys can get a pair for yourselves. And of course, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give me that thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already, and give me a follow on my Instagram as well at SGO8. Once again, a huge thank you goes out to the Closet Inc. I'll link their website, their social media, and all that good stuff down in the description box below. If you guys are in Canada and you're trying to get a pair, definitely check out the Closet Inc. So until next time, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys in my next review.